Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all Google search history in 2021. What you need to do, first just go to Google and then just click here on the three dots. After that go to settings and then just scroll down and you see here privacy and security, clear browsing data. Just click here and uncheck this box, just tick in this box browsing history and time range. You can select the time, all time, last hour, last 24 hour, last 7 days. Just select the time. If I select last 24 hours, after that just click here clear data. Yeah, it's done now. This is what you need to do if you want to delete all Google search history in 2021. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.